Was your car midnight blue? Hey, Dad. Was your car midnight blue?
Yeah.
Show it to me. You know where it is. Where'd you get that? What was the car from?
Falls Church.
Really? Feels good.
Make room for me, please.
Good. Man, this is a big door.
Your car looks brand new.
Yep.
I need to know if getting your car is living the life, Dad.
Oh, you're driving. Okay. I love the backup camera.
I wonder if that's backup.
I love using that.
What's your car that you bought in Falls Church?
What is it?
What's your car that you bought in Falls Church?
A Toyota Camry.
Camry?
It's like Y has, only newer.
Great
You don't have
strategy.
the phone connected yet?
I don't have it connected right now. Well, actually, I plug it in and then use
Oh,
the
okay.
Apple CarPlay.
Okay.
It's a great strategy for success. I like this new car.
Yep, I like it.
I know that Hippopotamus likes watermelon because the employee feeds the hippopotamus the watermelon because Hippopotamus likes fruits. Hey, Dad, do you like hippopotamus eating the watermelon in the American Zoo?
Mm-hmm.
Do you be an employee?
What is this? Range what?
That's how much of gas, like how many miles you have left on your tank.
Hey, Dad,
Mm-hmm.
do you ever be an employee when you feed Hippopotamus the watermelon?
Nope.
Such a great celebration that we've been doing for giving for celebrating Father's Day. anyone celebrating Father's Day or Mother's Day, but whoever likes it in the world who had it for the best party. I like having a great party. Hey, Dad, on Father's Day or Mother's Day, do you ever have a great party?
No one's skating at the skate park.
Do you like having a party on Mother's Day and Father's Day?
Yes, I do. When I first got here, it looked like it was going to rain.
Yeah. Well, there's a possibility of a shower. And I think the one weather on my TV or on my computer said light shower at 4 o'clock.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, we did go to the zoo.
Did you?
Yeah, and it's terrible. I felt like I was in a roadside zoo. It just looks awful.
Really?
Yep.
What's different?
Well, it's just there's a lot of empty places, and it's not. They've let a lot of the area get overgrown.
Do you remember the funeral home over there? No subway system?
That park has become very, very popular with the basketball and the paddleboard. And I don't know what else is there.
Pickleball?
Yeah, pickleball.
Are you sure that it's not big enough to have the subway system here?
Oh, positive.
Huh?
I'm positive it's not big enough.
You remember the cemetery over here.
Well, the ride's nice. It's comfortable. Comfortable sitting for you.
Yeah, it's okay. It's a little hard on my butt.
Well, get a pad. Get one of those phone pads like I have on my computer.
So what are we doing for the rest of the ride on Camry?
We're heading back.
Yeah, we're headed back.
Hey, so remember, Dad, did you know that fried chicken has been the same over at KFC, Royal Farms, and Popeyes since you like it the best?
Yeah, they all have fried chicken.
We had salmon last night for dinner. That was one of the entrees.
Was it warm enough?
Yep. It was okay.
Well, better than getting another hamburger and french fries.
How do you know?
I saw the picture.
You missed coming to the clubhouse when my grandmother and I were there.
Yeah.
You don't have to come to clubhouse for dinner, but wait till weekend, you can come. You can come and have dinner with my grandmother and I in Salisbury instead of going to the dining room in the clubhouse. When I'm in the middle age, I would get a budget and pay for the insurance And after that I got a budget, I will get a pet and get a pet food, pet blanket, pet cage, and go to the restroom and walk the pet. I'll make sure to do it when I'm in the middle age.
Not now.
I'm not.
You need to have a job.
I'm just gonna wait. All right. I'm willing to have a job first, and then get a budget.